This is a slow, peaceful vlog about me moving to a tiny town in Thailand. I've been traveling for over a year now, and every so often I realize I'm collecting lessons, but not actually giving myself space to live them. By the end of this video, I hope you feel inspired to slow down too, and maybe take an honest look at yourself, even if it feels uncomfortable. I'll take you through my days here, cycling to the beach, preparing food, eating, and also the quiet moments where there's nothing to do but sit with your thoughts. Hey guys, welcome to the beach. I'm currently in Prak Nam Prat. This is like a really small beach town in 4 hours south of Bangkok. There's really not much to do here. I try to go to the beach at least once a day. I've got my journal. I've got my bookie. I wish I had snacks, but I was really lazy to get snacks now. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna chill and join me. Hey guys, I'm going into the ocean. It's actually my first time like doing this for some reason. So I'm back now. I've had dinner. But after the beach, I decided to treat myself to a young coconut mochi lava mochi. And I thought we could do a taste test together. So I'm just gonna open it. Oh, why is it so hard to open? Which one should I try? I think I'll do the non-green one. Yummy, look how good that looks. Okay. The inside has like a delicious custard. That's like coconut flavored. And there's like sesame seed shavings on the top that also give it like a really good flavor. 8 out of 10.
Taskmaster sent them. Thing that they've made themselves. Ooh. So it's up to you, as in not the bandana guy, to choose.
Wow, that's a motivation.
In my last 2 videos you saw I was in Chiang Mai, so I've left the city. I am in this place. I've been here like 2 days already. It is hot. It's hot. I've had to put so much powder on my face so I don't look super shiny. I'm happy to be here, but it's like a complete change of pace. Like when I was in Chiang Mai, I was like going here, doing this, seeing this person, events, yeah. And yes, yeah, that's not, there's nothing here. And I'm here for a month. I'm gonna take this time to like slow down, relax, reconnect with myself, learn to slow down. And I think, yeah, also a focus on my health, because I was like so sick in Jan. Like I was sick like almost 2 weeks, like bad. My voice is still not 100% there, but it's okay. It's okay, guys. I think this is gonna be good for me. So like I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven. There's quite a few things like that I need to get, and I also want to show you guys like what it looks like around here. There's a hammock, a swing. Okay, that's my crap. But yeah, it's like quite outdoorsy. And we have like an outdoor kitchen vibe. We get free coconuts. This is the vibe, not the cutest, but it's really hot. And I'm like regretting, don't know why I didn't put sunblock on. But it's like such a short walk, but like the sun is like a laser. It is hot AF. Like, I don't know, regretting life a bit. There's like hardly any shade on this road. guys, we got the goods. We got the goods. I ordered a Taiwanese milk tea. Very excited about that. I actually want to try it immediately, but okay, first sip. Oh, it's so sweet. I literally said no sweet. Anyway, it's nice though. Oh, it's really nice. But I didn't want it sweet. Okay, anyway, it's okay. I'm still happy, like it's delicious. No complaints. Needs to be said that I'm not used to, like I'm doing well, but there's a level of boredom that I'm not used to, that I need to adjust to. So I don't feel a sense of urgency, which is nice, but unfamiliar. So a plan needs to be made, or not. It's a bit weird. Hey, so busy warming up our food. Yesterday we made green curry and brown jasmine rice. There's no microwave, so have to do it this way. It's not the best or fun, but the food's really tasty. Yeah. We're good. There's only one piece of tofu per person. I just wanted to tell you. So our Airbnb host, PD, he's the best. So his mom made us these papaya chips. Right? I'm not exactly sure how they're made. But they're in their raw form. Then I deep fry them to make these nice chips. How cool. Yay! They're growing. Having all the empty space with nothing to do left me feeling bare, exposed, and vulnerable. I didn't have activities to hide behind. I didn't have the distraction of people, interesting places, and food to take me from my life's mission. My participation in it or lack thereof. My financial stresses and feeling homesick. In this space, I felt like I had to come face to face with all of my uncertainties and self-doubt. I ordered myself like a Western breakfast because I'm feeling very sorry for myself today. Hey guys, so I don't know if any of you know this, but eating Western food in an Asian country is a terrible idea because it's expensive. But I'm feeling really sad today. Like, not sad, just like a bit disheartened. Like, I got some like bad news, but yeah, that's why I'm doing this. Feeling like there's nothing like familiar food that can somewhat make you feel comfort. You know, it's not something I do often, especially because I'm like very much addicted to Asian food most of the time. But yeah, today I find myself just needing some familiarity. tired today. We just came back from the gym. But I wanted to show you guys how to cut a dragon fruit. This is what a white one looks like on the inside. It's very important. I like white ones because they're easy to clean. So, I just cut it there. I just cut off this part. It cuts slices really easily. See? White. Then I do how much I'm gonna need. I think like that much. Woohoo! Look how beautiful it is. And then it's so easy to take the peel. You can just peel it away. Yay! And then cut it in your respective shape that you would like it in. This is for cereal, so I'm just making cubes. Whoa! Hey guys! So I'm going off on an adventure today. I'm gonna go and get a bagel. So the story behind this bagel is that I've gone to this place. This is my third time going. Every time there are no bagels. And I'm really hoping to get a bagel today. Because I don't know if you remember from my other vlog that I actually used to hate bagels. Oh, I'm in the wrong side of the road. Sorry! Whoops, concentrate. Need to concentrate. Anyway, I used to not like bagels and I found them dry, but now I like them. That's basically the end of the story. So yeah, guys, come with me on my bike. Yeah, this is my first time going outside and it's like almost 4 p.m. So I'm also gonna be treating myself. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's cloudy, but it's actually making it a lot cooler because it gets very hot here. So I just got to the place. Does that look open to you? There's no... Hey guys, so the level of disappointment I'm feeling is high. Like it's at least a 3-kilometer cycle. I am sweating and I am unhappy. But you know, at least I showed up for myself and I promised I tried to do the right thing. But yeah, I guess fate does not have me to have a bagel. I don't know if I'll try again, to be honest. Like, this is the third time. This is the third unlucky time. Hey, so I decided to come to my trusty beach spot. I went to 7-Eleven because they are open and they have my favorite snacks. So, yeah, I just want to show you. I just bought myself a salmon try. I will show you what that is. And I'm just gonna chill here. I'm not ready to go back home, so I just came to my beach spot. As you can see, and I will sit at that step, and there's my bag. So the next thing I'm gonna have is this sweet and savory plum. It's an experiment. We'll see how it turns out. We'll see how it turns out. Yeah. So, sorry, it's really windy and like struggling to hold things, but this is what it looks like. And I would describe the flavor as like savory, like salty, sweet sometimes, sweet and sour. But I think the texture is what I like. It's kind of like a dried fruit. Yeah, I find them addictive, actually.